What's up, Lion Pride? Today we're here at the MacRitchie Reservoir. We got some insane footage we really want to show you. Without further ado, let's get right into it. MacRitchie Reservoir has been known for their vast biodiversity when it comes to plants and animals. In fact, it's Singapore's oldest reservoir, being about 153 years old. MacRitchie is home to many animals such as the Sunda pangolin, the colugo, the leopard cat, and much, much more.
Today my dad, my brother, and I have embarked ourselves on MacRitchie to find as many animals as we can find and identify them. We hope to bring you on the adventure with us.
Our first find was truly magnificent. It's something you would never expect to find in Singapore. Observe. Yep, we found a stingray. The stingray that you're seeing right now has 4 names, and here it is on the screen. I refer to it as the motor stingray. The motor stingray is a species of freshwater fish that was artificially introduced here. That was pretty good luck for our first find. Moving on to the next one.
Our second find was truly fascinating as well. We found a red-eared slider, known for its distinctive markings on the side of its head. But I apologize if you can't see it on video.
But wait, what's behind it?
Oh, that's a Chinese soft-shell turtle. Chinese soft-shell turtles actually are super duper rare in Singapore and all around the world. Cool fact about these is that the males are generally smaller than the females, although the males' tails are way longer than the females' ones. How cool is that?
That's pretty cool.
Another cool fact about these is that they're pretty ugly, and they look like Jar Jar Binks from Star Wars.
Our next find was equally as cool, if not even cooler than the last one. Here's a hint of what it was. So, the animal was the crab-eating macaque, more commonly known as the long-tailed macaque. Did he get it right? I hope so. Here's a cool fact for you. Despite the name crab-eating macaque, at least 50% of its diet consists of fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and occasionally small reptiles. We got some really cool photos that we really want to show you. Here they are. Well guys, that about wraps. Wait, who's that? Ah! It looks like it's fun fact time. Did you know that all monkeys are primates, but not all primates are monkeys? And the largest primate that ever lived is the Gigantopithecus blackie. Gigantopitho... You know what? Whatever, it's on the screen right now. These extinct creatures have been known to grow up to 3 meters and weigh 500 kilograms, which is 9.8 feet and 1,100 pounds, respectively. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe, and until then, I'll see you in the next adventure, Lion Pride.